Something doesn't feel right. I can't sleep. I keep tossing and turning, and I'm dying in my dreams. I know it's there. I'm feeling like a splinter in my mind. It's almost like a nightmare, but I'm not waking up this time. Am I the only one who thinks that we are only going backwards from the place we need to be? And I will find my way if you could just trust me. Maybe I could show you I'm not the crazy one. Retrace the steps and pick up the pieces, both yours and mine. Together we can find that in a broken sort of way. Everything is perfect here. The feeling in my
Yeah. Where you going, huh?
There I was,
Telling me this and that.
wow. There she
Yo,
is.
Cisco.
If I could talk to
Might need
her
your help with
now
this
and
one.
say, you're the
Yeah.
perfect girl, and I got that perfect buzz. Do you wanna ride with us? She said why? I said why not? Baby, just because you got too much love. Turn it up when you hear this song, and all my people gon' sing along like, do you wanna ride with us? Do you wanna ride with
You can catch me in the
us?
fast lane, going 80 while the beat bump. On my way to LA, she wanna meet up, cause everything get better when I see her. They telling me that I got the jungle fever. Look over my shoulder and she right there. When I ain't chillin' with you, girl, I